does not show Allah's love. Whoever's got good izzah, dignity, you've got a nice, good family, good name, your whole family is dignified in the community, it does not mean that Allah Azza wa Jal is close or far away from you. It does not mean anything. Why? Because Allah Azza wa Jal has done the same thing for kuffar. He has done it for those people who don't even believe in Him, who swear at Him, who say rude things about Him. Allah has given them wonderful houses. Allah has given them a lot of dignity. Some of them He has, some of them He hasn't. It's just like the trees that grow. You try and see any field, you won't see any tree the same. You won't see that 10 trees, you put 10 seeds here, 10 seeds here. But when those 10 trees grow, will they all be exactly the same height? Yes or no? No. No, they will not be the exactly same height. See, this is Allah's doing. When He wants to give something, He gives it. Allah said, يَبْسُطُ الرِّزْقَ لِمَنْ يَشَاءُ وَيَقْدِرُ. Whoever Allah wants to, He will expand their wealth. And whoever wants to, Allah will decrease it. It's not about what you think or what I think. It's about what Allah thinks. Now Allah doesn't judge us from these things. So what's my point? My point is, there are many things that we think of why someone is close to Allah is wrong. How do I know that I am close to Allah Azza wa Jal? How do I know that? It's a big question. How do I know that? Am I close to Allah? It's a big question. Am I close to Allah or not? So I shouldn't look at the gifts Allah has given me. I shouldn't look at the things that I've got. I shouldn't look at the blessings that Allah has granted me. No. What should I look at? What I should look at is this. Is that you know the heart that you got, the heart that I've got, the heart that you've got. There's a love inside there. There's a love inside there. And there's hatred inside there. That love that I've got inside my heart for the things that I love, do they match the things that Allah loves? Does my heart, the love, the things in my heart that I love, are they the same things that Allah loves? And the things that I have in my heart that I hate, are they the same things that Allah hates? And that's number one, that's point number one. Point number two is the things that are in my heart that I love or hate. How many times throughout my day, throughout my week, month and year, does it continuously match the love of Allah? And the things that I hate in my heart, how many times throughout the day, throughout my week, my months, my years, does it match continuously the hate that Allah has for things? How much? On that scale, if you were to measure yourself, then you know how close you are to Allah or how far you are from Allah.